need to go through a three-stage chemical treatment process. The first stage then is into a flux. From the flux, the product's taken off of the hanging jigs and put onto another hanging jig that enables it to be dropped into the molten zinc where it's not touching each other. Once it's been assembled on the hanging jigs, then it gets dropped into the molten zinc. The molten zinc about 450 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, the way the gates are hung on the hanging jigs, they're hung on an angle. So as they slowly take out the product from the molten zinc, it allows the molten zinc to come off freely so that it doesn't have any large blobs. So it tries to give it the smoothest finish that we can. They dip it into the chromate bath, which allows the product to be cooled down, and then from there it's put onto it's placed onto the floor here, where the gates are taken off of the jig and then checked for the thickness of the zinc plating. From the zinc plating normally is checked, and it's between 60 and 70 microns thick zinc plating. Into the transport jigs to our factory, where we go through the cleaning stage and then the powder coating. So prior to actual powder coating, the product goes through a chemical pre-treatment process, which starts off with a degreasing solution and then 2 rinse baths, and then it goes into an activating bath, and then a zinc phosphate bath, and then a rinse, and then it gets dried off prior to putting it into the powder coating on the powder coating line. The phosphating is a very important stage of the painting process, the zinc phosphating, because of we need the powder. You don't do that so the surface is too smooth, and then over time the powder coating will peel off the zinc. There's lots of gate fences that I've experienced in America and Australia that don't go through this process, and after a while the paint just chips off very easily.
Powder coating comes right off.
Because there's no bonding at all. So as you can see now, they're taking it out of the activate bath, and it will go now into the phosphate. And the phosphate is the zinc phosphate gives it that surface that the powder coat can bond to.
Basically cleaning, prepping and treating the surface of the zinc for powder coat.
Yeah. So prior to the powder coating of the product, the galvanized product enters into the oven, where the oven is 200 degrees Celsius. The reason we put the galvanized product in the oven prior to powder coating is that during the hot-dip galvanized process, the zinc coating has small little air bubbles in the zinc coating, which, if not preheated prior to the powder coating, these small bubbles will expand and blow the powder coating off. So we put them in the oven first so that the bubbles expand and release the air out of the zinc coating, so that we don't have any defects on the paint surface after it goes through the oven after powder coating. So now you can see the gate entering the powder coating booth, where they are spraying the powder coating onto the gate, and the powder, as it comes out of the gun, has an electrostatic charge. With the metal, it attracts to the metal. And you can see it's a very clean painting process, and we have a mini dust extraction system in the powder coating booth that allows us to recycle the powder, so there's no waste or no pollution from this process. Right, so this is the gate coming out of the oven, as you feel, or the hold area. So now the gate's in the hold area prior to packaging. This is where we check and document the thickness of the powder coating.
And this makes sure that it is compliant with the certain micron thickness.
Yeah, we do all the packing of the accessories after they've been powder coated. As you can see here, we've got a range of accessories that are all being vacuum packed on a cardboard backing.